Map. In an array or slice, to access data, we use an index number starting from 0. Map is another data type that contains the same data collection, but we can determine the type of index data type that we will use. Simply put, map is a key value collection data type, keyword value, where the keywords are unique. They cannot be the same. In contrast to arrays and slices, the amount of data we enter into a map can be as large as possible, as long as the keywords are different. If we use the same keywords, the previous data will automatically be replaced with new data. In Golang, maps are written with curly brackets, and they have keys and values, creating an instance of a map data type. var. This keyword is used to declare variables in Go. Employee. This is the name given to the variable. Map string int. This part specifies that employee is a map, where keys are of type string and values are of type int. Mark, 10, Sandy, 20. This part initializes the map with two key value pairs. The keys Mark and Sandy are associated with the values 10 and 20, respectively. Below is a table map that will be useful for you. Let's create a map with string keys and integer values. The keys Mark and Sandy are associated with the values 10 and 20, respectively. Now it's time for us to print to see the results. In Go, we can declare a map using the make function. Let's create a variable named newEmployee and utilize the make function to initialize a map with string keys and integer values. Subsequently, we add values to the map. The process is straightforward. We reference the variable newEmployee within square brackets and provide the key, followed by the assignment of the corresponding value. For instance, if the key is Mark, we assign a specific integer value to it. The way to access values from a map is very easy. Just write the variable and then write the desired key name. To add a new key value pair, we use square brackets and assign a value to the newly created key. We fix the value associated with John with a new value, namely 180. To delete elements from a map in Go, you can use the delete function. This function takes two arguments, the map from which you want to delete elements and the key of the elements to delete. Exercises. Declare a map named countries where keys are country names, strings, and values are their populations, integers. Add new country. Modify the population some country and delete an entry for a specific country and print the updated map. In addressing the first task, we initiate the process by creating a variable named countries in Go. This variable is a map that associates countries, USA, China, India, and Brazil, with their respective population values. Following the initialization, we add a new entry for Japan, with a population value of 123. Subsequently, we update the population data for China, modifying it to 1558. This demonstrates the ease with which Go allows us to dynamically alter values associated with specific keys within a map. Finally, as the last step, we attempt to remove the entry for Brazil from the country's map. Utilizing the delete function, we can efficiently eliminate the data associated with Brazil. Now it's time for us to print to see the results. After we try it, we can see that the results have changed according to the command we ran.